We just moved around the next car for disassembly. 1970 Cuda 446 barrel. It means it's a V code in the VIN. It's a A34 Super Track Pack. That means it has a Hemi 4-speed and a Super Track Pack 410 Dana rear end. It's FE5 Rally Red, white interior. This car belongs to Jim Root. Those of you who are Slipknot fans out there will recognize the name. So we made a deal, brought the car out here, and we're getting ready to start the disassembly now.
Carefully take her out and set her on a cart. Do you think they'll come, sir?
Oh, they'll come. They'll come all right. Here, stamp these and mail them.
Eli, did you notice these Allen screws holding the wiper arms in?
Not until you pointed them out.
You think that's factory?
Probably not.
Probably not. They're not. They're not factory. Somebody put some real custom little screws in there to hold the wiper arms in.
So the E-body cars, arguably the most collectible ones on the planet, the 1970 Cuda, 1971 Cuda, 1970, 1971 Challenger RT models, typically speaking, very collectible. They have a soft spot in a lot of hearts. They have a special soft spot here because we've done quite a few of them. And I know we get some crap for it because why are you always working on E-bodies? What about an A-body? Well, E-bodies aren't worth any money. So when I start working on this car, especially this is an FE5 Rally Red car. So I go back to the last FE5 Rally Red car, which was Mark and Elena Daly's car, the little 70 Cuda. If memory serves right, I think Elena was surprising Mark for his 50th birthday by reaching out to me and having us restore the car that they had had for quite some time, and I think they had had some issues with some previous restoration shops. So when they made the connection with me, and this goes back to like season 3 or so of 2 or 3 of Graveyard Cars, back in the early days. This was a nice little car. What they wanted when it was completely finished was a 1970 Cuda in FE5 Rally Red with 383 automatic. Now they made some modifications to it. He wanted it a little bit lower to the ground, so we did that. The interior, we had Instrument Specialties had done the dash on it. He wanted it to be the same color FE5 Rally Red where the wood grain would go. He wanted that to be the same color as the outside of the car. So just, you know, kind of personalize it. I know that he went with the Krager wheels on it. I believe memory serves with Krager wheels, VF Goodrich tires. And it was a nice little car when it was done. But I always go back to that being one of our very first cars at Graveyard Cars, so it has one of the softest spots for me. They're really wonderful people, and it was nice to be able to do that for them. And I know that today they still enjoy it and go to all the car shows. So, you know, that's a cool legacy.